One is the in the form of the V, simple V, and second one is the opposite V, which is a vertical, and the third one is I am creating the crisscross hair, which is originating from the same hair point. Hello everyone and welcome back to Praks Gallery. So I'm drawing beard today. uh, to draw the beard I am using soft charcoal pencil and 2B graphite pencil. So I've created the outline and I'm just giving the base layer by applying some of the charcoal powder. This is, you can just take the dust from the charcoal pencil and you can apply with the help of a brush or so. And now I'll start with all the hair drawing which is there in the beard. So let's get started. So to draw beard hair, I am basically using these type of strokes where the starting will be little thicker, but at the end it will be tapered, because we have to give hair look, and it will be a crisscross, or it will be like an overlapping hair, as it is not always like a separate one. So I'm just following those steps to create the hair in beard. Also, as I am drawing all these hairs, I am keeping in mind the direction of the hair and where there is a depth. So there the hair will be little curvy and all, like you can see nearby the chin area, under the lips, lower lips, right? So those all I'm keeping in mind. And as you can see, so these are the crisscross thing what I'm using. And when you move forward towards the lower part of the beard, the hair get dense, and that's where from the same place there will be multiple hair originating. So I'm keeping those lines so that it will look like there is a dense area at a particular location in the beard. As we know that for the chin the hairs are not separately grown, it is like a bunch of hair together. So to draw that I'm following 3-step process. One is the in the form of the V, simple V, and second one is the opposite V, which is a vertical, and the third one is I am creating the crisscross hair, which is originating from the same hair point. And by following these 3 processes I have drawn the whole chin hair and the side cheek hair. So for the highlights, I am using Tombow Mono Zero Eraser, and I have cut the tip of the eraser in a diagonal fashion, and I'll be just giving some small, the white hairs over here so that it will give a natural look. Now for the fine hairs which are very near to the edges of the beard, I am using this 2B pencil, graphite pencil, and I'm just with the very light pressure I'm creating small hair strands. So this was all about today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.